On January 24, 2025, a foreign worker lost his life in a tragic accident at a construction site in Penang when a zinc roof fell on him. Penang Department of Occupational Safety and Health Director Hairozi Asri said that a Dodge team went to the scene after being informed of the incident. They found out that the victim, aged 28, was an employee of a subcontractor company appointed to carry out the work of installing roof of multipurpose. He said the victim was reported to have been crushed by a zinc roof which fell on top of him as he was being transferred by a crane from a lorry. The roof fell when the rope that used to tie it to the hook on the crane broke loose. The victim was immediately taken to a nearby hospital and was pronounced dead at the same day.
Incidents like this can also be a wake-up call for opportunity to improve safety standard and protect life moving forwards. Workplace safety must be prioritized at all times to prevent avoidable tragedies and protect every worker's life. For the positive awareness, the first point is reinforce the importance of safety protocols. The incidents highlight why strict safety procedures must be followed, especially in high-risk jobs like construction and crane operations. The second one is emphasize shared responsibility. Safety is a collective effort. Employers, supervisors, and workers must all play active roles in ensuring safety practices are carried out daily. The third one is need for equipment inspection. Regular check on lifting equipment, ropes, and crane can prevent mechanical failures that lead to fatal accidents. The fourth one is mandatory safety training. Comprehensive training on equipment handling and emergency response can help workers recognize hazards and act proactively. The last one is support for continuous improvement. Internal investigation and case presentation to DOSH encourage employers to learn from incidents and improve their safety management system.
The incident at Simpang Ampat, where a ferry worker was killed by a falling zinc roof, has led to several serious negative impacts. First and foremost, there was a tragic loss of a life. A 28-year-old worker died in a preventable accident, causing grief to his family and community. Secondly, the physiological impact on other workers on the site cannot be overlooked. Witnessing such a fatal incident can lead to the trauma, stress, and fear, which may affect their mental health and job performance. The project itself now faces delays due to the immediate stop work order issued by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health. This disruption can result in missed deadlines and financial losses for the contractors involved. There are also legal consequences. The employer is now under investigation and could face penalties if any safety regulations were breached. These include potential fines or court action. Furthermore, the company's reputation is at stake. News of such incidents damages public trust and may affect future business opportunities. The incident clearly demonstrates the serious and far-reaching consequences of safety failures at the workplace.
Failing in addressing the safety issues by construction companies will have many consequences: delay in construction, cost overruns, and maybe losing trust between the workers and employees. Ensuring a safe construction site is crucial to maintain a high quality of work and great income. If not, it may cause projects to delay with unresolved issues such as no proper planning, poor communication, and shortages of materials. Other than that, the project costing might overrun with the lingering issues unresolved. Improper planning of the project can raise conflict and leave it unresolved. This will cost additional thousands of dollars to the budget to overcome the conflict. If construction companies fail to address safety issues, more lives could be lost. Unaddressed issue in construction can lead to severe safety hazard, potentially causing multiple fatalities due to factors like falls, natural good, and other incidents. The increment of the risk is possible with the nature of the construction site. The site might be on the building, under the land, or bridges and others. Lastly, poor safety management of the construction companies will affect their reputation. Reputation in conflicts can cause other potential partners, clients, suppliers, or subcontractors to hesitate and lose trust to take part in the next project. And at the end, future project opportunities are limited.
Faulty tools and machines are the disasters waiting to happen. Routine equipment checkup help us to identify the wear and tear before they become dangerous. If it's not safe, don't use it. Having trained and safety supervisor on site means someone is always watching out for hazards, ensuring compliance, and they can act quickly when there's an emergency. Their presence is a peace of mind. Hey, do properly.
Okay, boss.
Safety is everyone's responsibility. All the workers have to feel empowered to report any unsafe condition to their employer. One quick report a day can prevent serious injury tomorrow. Boss, this one broken already.
Oh, okay. I will buy the new one.
Rules are only work when they are followed. Enforcing safety protocols firmly ensure that everyone on site is protected. No shortcuts, no exception. In Malaysia, we have occupational safety and health in construction industry management from our Ministry of Human Resource, as well as Occupational Safety and Health Construction Work Design and Management Regulation 2024 from Federal Government Gazette.
This devastating event highlights the urgent need for proper safety measures at construction sites across Malaysia. Every life matters. Let's create a safer, more responsible working environment for everyone. Safety isn't optional, it is responsibility.